Hi guys, my name is Dian from Positive English class. Okay, this is my homework. Today I will tell you the way how to pronounce the sound. Firstly, I want to talk about voiceless sound. You have to put the tongue between the teeth, yeah? And blow out air between your tongue and the teeth. Yeah, and do not use your voice. You can touch here and you don't feel anything. Okay, now start at beginning. Thank you. Thank you. Think. Think. Thought. Thought. A meter. Something. Something. Nothing. Nothing. Healthy. Healthy. Sound at end. Math. Math. Mouth. Mouth. Both. Both. Now I have some sentences. I will eat anything healthy with my teeth. I will eat anything healthy with my teeth. Thank you for driving back and forth this month. Thank you for driving back and forth this month. I think Beth is traveling north on the bus. I think Beth is traveling north on the bus. Okay, now I want to talk about voice sound. You have to use your voice. You can touch here and you feel it is shaking. Yeah. Okay, now at beginning. There, that, there, a meter. Brother, either, other. Okay, at end. Smooth, breathe. Okay, that mother can't breathe. Thus mother can't breathe. I rather like this weather. I'd rather like this weather. Okay, now we practiced two sounds together. Pronunciations is rather fun. If you try another technique, thinking about the person you are talking with, and although you are pretending, this method will make you speaking more smooth. That's all for now. Okay, this is my homework and thanks for watching. Bye bye.